Have you ever wondered how solar cells are made? Well, it all starts with silicon wafers, the building blocks of solar cells. The process is intricate, precise, and until recently, time-consuming. But now researchers at Fraunhofer ISE have developed a groundbreaking laser system that is set to revolutionize the way we process these wafers. Imagine a laser so powerful and efficient it can process wafers for solar cell production 10 to 20 times faster than previous methods. This isn't science fiction, it's the here and now. The new laser system can engrave fine structures in silicon wafers using ultraviolet waves, enabling high-speed processing without compromising on structure size or processing field. This laser doesn't just operate at lightning speed, it's also incredibly accurate, capable of drawing a staggering 1800 lines per second. It boasts a high repetition rate of 10 MHz and can process wafers in M12 format with channels that are 15 micrometers wide. But the benefits of this laser system don't stop at speed and precision. The fine channels it creates allow for reduced use of silver paste, a key component in the production of solar cells. This means that in addition to speeding up production, the laser system can also help reduce production costs. The prototype of this revolutionary technology was developed by German laser specialist Edgewave GmbH, and the team isn't resting on their laurels. They're already exploring new processes to increase throughput even further. This development marks a significant milestone in solar cell production. With faster, more efficient processing, the new laser system from Fraunhofer ISE promises a brighter, more sustainable future for us all. And as we continue to advance in our technological capabilities, who knows what other innovations the world of solar energy will bring us. So, the next time you marvel at a solar panel, remember the intricate process that goes into creating each cell. And know that, thanks to the team at Fraunhofer ISE, that process just got a whole lot faster.